Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can sign up to DeepSeek. So on their official website, deepseek.com, you can click on the Start Now button here. And on the Start Now button here, you want to click on Sign Up. Or if you already have a Google account, you can already log in with Google. But I'm going to show you how to sign up manually. So sign up. Now just give them your email address. I'm going to give them mine. Let me type in my email address and then give it your password. Confirm your password. You'll need to send a one-time password code or an OTP. Click on Send Code. Now you can see a verification code has been sent to our email. Let me open my email real quick and then put in the code. Now, once you entered in your OTP, you'll be automatically logged in like I did here. Now you can see once here, you see you're signed up and you can start using DeepSeek any way you'd like. So if you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.